Everyone has ego involvement in their work, some more than others. The more aware we are of it, the less it will interfere with us leading brilliantly. And I'm a big advocate for clearing whatever's in the way of you showing up as a brilliant leader. Because you are. In leadership crises, our minds may panic and try to figure out how to fix things or blame others. And what we really need to do first is just to stop for a moment, to be with, to deal with, and clear the emotions that are arising within us. What place do emotions have in your leadership? Are you the feel the fear and do it anyway type, or clear the fear so you can function optimally type? This video is about getting clear on how you get triggered. In another video, I'll walk through the steps of how we clear ourselves of that whole mess. But first, let's look at how we actually get triggered. First thing that happens is we get some news we perceive as problematic. This sets off a cascade of lightning-fast negative thinking. Those thoughts set off waves of uncomfortable emotions like fear and despair. And then cycles of negative thinking and emotion start to follow. But there are many better paths down which you can go, like using my Follow the Thread tool, which I'll share in an upcoming video.